As winter is arriving, so we have to take utmost care of our inmates at CWRC, particularly elephants. For elephants, we usually use as a base stratum hay we use particularly, and to cover them we use blankets during this winter season, because elephants are very prone to fluctuation in temperature in environment. Also along with that, we have to take care especially we have to take care of inmate birds and reptiles. So we have particular ICU developed for them, where we can control humidity and temperature for them.
How many elephants in under care?
We have elephants, we have rhinos, we have leopards, and we have few birds.
How many animals?
We have 6 elephants, 2 rhinos, 1 buffalo, 5 leopards, and 2 hornbills.